happy Friday again. I hope your Friday has been fantastic and you are so looking forward to the weekend. I hope your weekend is fantastic and you enjoy the long weekend with Labor Day. So again, welcome. Thank you so much for being here. If you are new, please consider hitting that subscribe button. We do all kinds of fun stuff here. And we do have a giveaway going on right now. It is our 5,000 subscriber giveaway. That link will be below. But you guys, I'm so excited because as you can see, we have a brand new subscription to our channel, and that is California Found. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about it, and then we will get into unboxing and seeing exactly what is in this box. Yay! So California Found, let's see. So you can choose to treat yourself or a gift for your sunshine. It says, we find the most talented makers and select the best California creations. You or your lucky sunshine unbox a uniquely chic collection of California lifestyle items each month. Monthly collection of California artisan crafted skin and hair care, gourmet treats, jewelry, accessories, and home decor. And it is $49 a month plus shipping, and they do ship worldwide, so they can ship to Canada or, like I said, internationally, which is amazing. They usually ship between the 25th and 30th of each month, so this is one of the boxes that you will receive later in the month, so that's always great because usually everything is at the beginning, so it's nice to get something at the end. You can prepay for 3 months and save a little bit of money, so that is awesome. I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up, and I will have a promo code that will be put down below as well. So I can't wait to get in here. I do want to say thank you so much. This was very kindly sent to me for review, and I do appreciate that. I just think that this box sounds so amazing. I mean, it's literally like California in a box. And I love it. So it did come in like an outer mailer, so I took that out, but I cannot wait to see what we have in here for August. So let's get it open and get to seeing what we got. All right, so this is what we see when we open it. Super cute. So that is cute. First of all, this like paper that they've wrapped the cards with is awesome. So I'm assuming this is probably going to be information on the items. So yes, it is. All right, so we have a card here that I will read to you. It's California Found. So welcome to the California Found August 2019 collection. We're excited to bring you this month's collection of unique and lovely California artisan-made products, and one box contains our golden ticket, which entitles to the recipient to one free box to keep for themselves or give to a lucky bestie. So look carefully. Good luck, sunshine. That's awesome. Each month, we set aside 10% of our profits to help organizations doing incredible work in our community. Oh, I love that. They give back. Yay! This month, we are keeping the summer vibes going and continuing our support of California's own Surfrider Foundation in their work to protect and preserve our ocean, beaches, and waves. That is amazing, and I do think that is that's a very important cause. So, I love that they give back. That is so fantastic. I love when boxes give back. Any company gives back. I think they, that just shows that they're just a great company. So I love that so much. So that is our August 2019 little card. And then here we have different cards that will tell us about, all of our little goodies inside. So let's open her up. And this is what I see when we do. So we've got squigglies. I'm gonna get some of these off so we can get to the goods. To the goods. This is definitely packaged very well, and I know I have said in so many videos, you guys know I love when a company does that when they take pride in their presentation and packaging, you know I love that, and this definitely is the case. So you see here everything, we have some bubble wrapped, plenty of squigglies to ensure safety, which is amazing. All right, so I'm going to start here with this first item. And it is from Lulu Lilybird, Jewelry for the Soul. Ooh, so we got some jewelry. Look how pretty. All right. Oh my goodness, you guys, this is gorgeous. Like, so gorgeous. I think it got, there we go. Look at this, y'all. That is like so beautiful. It is so simple, but yet so gorgeous. That is, I just love this. Let's see what it says. Making jewelry is Carol Roberts' creative outlet. Her workbench is a place where, in her words, she has fun, learns new techniques, messes up, and starts over. This is just so gorgeous. So this is the sterling silver circle necklace. It is a $48 value. Oh my gosh. This is so beautiful, you guys. Is that not just absolutely gorgeous? And if you use code CAFOUND, you can get 20% off your purchase of 50 or more at lululilybird.com. So I'm assuming this is Carol. That is fantastic. Oh, I love this necklace so much. It is so beautiful. All right, so let's see here. Then we have, what are you? Are there, oh. I mean, I'm gonna enjoy this, but my husband is gonna enjoy this. This is awesome. There's 3 of these. But, oh! That apparently stick together. That's awesome. They're magnetic. Oh, I love that. All right, so, and I can kind of smell. So these are spices. These are like Gustus Vitae is a California crafter of non-GMO project verified salt, spices, seasoning, and cane sugars. Since their humble beginnings in the Venice Beach, California farmers market, they've been obsessed with quality, using only the very best in all natural, sustainable sourced ingredients. Each and every one of their products is carefully made in super small batches before being packed by hand in their unique magnetic tins. Every day they live their motto, quality above all. This month we're bringing you 3 flavor-packed blends that are absolutely perfect for summer barbecue. So this is the Ultimate Barbecue 3-blend bundle valued at $35. And you can use the promo code CAFOUND40 for 40% off. That's awesome. 40% off your purchase at gustusvitae.com. And that is good through December 31st. That is amazing. So let's see exactly what we got as far as flavors. I love that they stick together. That is so awesome. So the first one is Veggie Burger Seasoning, right there. And give authentic flavor to, oh, this is neat. So it kind of shows you here on the side, like it looks like a kebab, steak, a taco, tomatoes, I'm assuming vegetables, and burgers. So there's that. And then here you can see kind of where it tells you. And it looks, okay, so it's bagged in there, but I'm guessing if you open it, because of how the lid is, you can put the lid back on. And the lid can be closed, or you can turn it to do it that way, or you can do it that way to sprinkle. That is amazing. I love that. They're all that way, so that's great. All right, so the next one is Turkey Burger Seasoning, right there. And This says give authentic flavor to, and it shows a burger, fries, broccoli, eggs, green beans, corn. Oh, I love that you can use this on, wrong way, different things. So even though this says turkey burger, you obviously can use this on many different, oh, and that smells so good. You can use this on so many different things. And then the third one is the Ultimate Gourmet Barbecue Seasoning. And this is a dry rub. What do these say? That just says seasoning. And the turkey burger actually said dry rub as well. But this is showing corn, steak. Is that popcorn? Chicken, poultry, fries, showing a lobster, so seafood, and burgers. So there is that. And then there it shows everything it can be used on. That smells so good too. Yum. I'm thinking about like sauteing some veggies. Oh, you guys, yum. All right, so let's move along. Something wrapped up here in bubble wrap. And this is from Linus Handcrafted Hydrating Hand and Body Cream, Shea, Mango, and Bergamot, number 28. It's a glass jar. That's really nice. In 2013, a passion for botany, a love for design, and a drive for independence were instilled into the all-natural skincare brand Linus. I'm not sure if I'm saying it correctly because there is a mark over the L, but as a mom of 3 small boys who embraces sustainability, Laura understood the market need for clean products. Linus offers cosmeceutical rich skincare products including cleansers, toners, face masks, and scrubs, craftfully formulated with clean and effective bases of aloe vera, plant oils, and local raw honey, and infused with essential oils for an aromatherapeutic experience. So this is a 4-ounce hydrating hand and body cream, and this is valued at $22. And you can use the code CA-found-10 for 10% off your purchase. And that is good until the end of October, and that is for shoplinus.com. Wow. So here it shows that. That is amazing. Now let's see what number 28 smells like. Because it says Shea, Mango, and Bergamot. Ooh. Can you see there? So it's a cream. Oh, I like it's not, normally when you think of cream, you think of like really thick and maybe it might be a little greasy, but this is almost like a whipped cream. Like you could see it's very smooth. And it went right into my skin. Oh, it does smell good. That smells really, really good. And I mean, my skin feels so silky. That is amazing. I love that so much. All right, so we have one more product in here. Again, nicely bubble wrapped. Oh, are you? It's a candle. Ah, it's a candle. All right. So it is in this nice drawstring bag here. And this is from The 100th Acre from Laguna Beach. The 100th Acre is inspired by the life of a writer and storyteller, Robert Brink. He uses scent to induce memory and share past experiences with those who smell his candles in hopes that they reminisce fondly on their own. The line incorporates an aesthetic that includes books and literature, typewriters, libraries, famous authors, and nature. The 100th Acre is sipping tea at your favorite cafe. It's sitting next to the fireplace reading a book in your dream cabin in the woods. It's the special place from your childhood that you can't resist fondly and frequently visiting in your mind. So this is the Night Blooming Jasmine Candle, valued at $25, and you can use the code CaliforniaFound for 20% off your purchase at the100thacre.com. So that is awesome. So let's get this out and smell this bad boy. Oh, I can already smell. Oh, that's okay. I love like the simplicity of this design, but you guys look how cute. There's literally like how they were talking about books and stuff. There's like words there. And again, this is Midnight Jasmine, 7-ounce all natural soy wax candle, hand poured in Laguna Beach. Burn time is approximately 35 hours. It says, please recycle or reuse this container. And I mean, as a glass, it's very pretty. Ooh, that smells really, really, really good, y'all. And again, I just love the simplicity of this. It's just fresh and calming, and I love that so much. So that was everything in the box for August 2019. So we got this amazing smelling candle. I'm a sucker for candles, so if there's a candle in a box, I'm like, yes. So again, this amazing smelling candle, this amazing smelling and makes my skin super, super silky soft, hydrating hand and body cream. We got the 3 that stick together. That's all, it was so cute. Different spice mixes, amazing. And this absolutely beautiful necklace right here, you guys. That is so gorgeous, and I absolutely love it. Again, I just love that it's simple but so gorgeous, and how the light catches the stone right there at the bottom. It is just beautiful. It says jewelry for the soul. I love that. So let me know your thoughts down below. Like I said, I will definitely put a link to California Found, and I will have a coupon code that I will put down below as well to save you a little bit. So definitely check them out, you guys. This is amazing. I absolutely love this box so, so much. This was obviously the first time opening it, but I'm already obsessed and in love. So let me know your thoughts. Again, I hope you have a wonderful Friday evening, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.